Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. And I wanted to adjust my camera, but I think it's fine. No, I wanted to give you my thoughts on Solana. I mean, yesterday was a pretty, I wouldn't call it bearish in the end, but yesterday we did see some strong bearish pressure. All right, for Solana as well. Even though, I mean, Solana is a bigger coin, it's also a little bit less leveraged than some of the other coins that are being traded right now, because it has also been less bullish. So we got that yesterday, but in the end, that just resulted in, again, strong bullish confirmation. All right, the same as what we talked about Monday when we had that drop. What that led to is that we just respected the 50 EMA plus the 382 fib very well. So that's a bullish indication. And then yesterday with the pullback from Bitcoin, Solana again reacted very well to the 50 EMA, this time in combination with the 236 fib. So purely technically, those are two strong bullish indications. I would assume, but this is purely an assumption which we will check right now, I would assume the momentum is also going up right now. Yeah, a little bit. The momentum could be better, to be completely honest with you. But it's moving up, all right? It's making higher lows at the very least, and a higher high is hopefully coming up today. But most of you know that I am bullish on Solana, all right? What you see right now, especially if you assume that the markets will remain bullish, at least in the short term, which I do assume, then what you would say is that Solana, I mean, it has already rallied a lot last year, of course, and this year as well, but especially last year. But Solana right now, it's one of the most bullish layer 1 blockchains and networks, as you can see right here. If you look at the total value locked, for example, it's still making new highs. Daily active addresses are going up. DEX volumes are popping off again. So fundamentally, Solana is bullish. And then what you also see is that more and more layer 1 blockchains are putting in moves. I mean, if you look at, for example, the top gainers in the top 100, you see Ton, you see Injective, you see Avalanche, you see Near, you see Algorand, Ronin. Those are all major layer 1 blockchains. So I like Solana a lot. I think it's just lagging here, all right? And I think before we know it, we can actually break out, like get a solid breakout above this level around 150 and rally up higher. So that's still what I expect. That's technically what I also said in my last videos. But if you look at it, bullish fundamentals, bullish market structure, and then these two bullish indications, to me it's just a matter of time before we can actually rally here. Now I have also bought quite a lot of Solana in this range right here, so I might be biased. And to play devil's advocate a little bit, the momentum is really lagging, right? I mean, we do need to see this momentum kind of slope up. But if that happens, like if we see a slope like this in a momentum and we get back to the levels we were at, for example, the 8th of March last week, then I see no reason why we should not get a bullish breakout right here above 150 and 152, which also seems to be playing the role of some strong resistance. So break above that and continue going up to, well, probably 170, 165 initially, but eventually 175 and 180. So that's still what I expect. It's just a matter of time for now. Usually Solana and AVAX also move together quite often. AVAX has been lagging a bit, but AVAX is also still bullish. So it might also be the case that Solana is just lagging behind a bit, but that's also still bullish. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great day. Take care and bye.